Hey, I'm Nick DeVita. I'm with Sonos and we're here at our booth. And this section here of our booth actually shows our product portfolio. What's great about this, it shows all the different ways that Sonos comes to life for your clients inside their home and ways of getting outside of their home. Here we have our soundbars, we have some all-in-one speakers, and we have some components. So let's start with our soundbars. With the Sonos soundbar, it's really easy. It plugs into the wall and it connects to the television using an HDMI connection. That's simple, and it connects to the Wi-Fi. With Arc Ultra, which is our newest soundbar, this actually has 14 transducers inside of it. That's a little cool name for speakers. That actually gives you a full Dolby Atmos surround sound experience just with the soundbar. Arc Ultra is great for large TVs like this guy, really giving you the best experience possible when it comes to home theater. But not every room needs that, not every TV needs that. So then we have Beam Gen 2. Beam 2 is fantastic because it gives you Dolby Atmos sound out of a really small package. But sometimes clients want TV in maybe a bedroom or a kid's room where they need to fit it into kind of a really small space. And that's why we have Sonos Ray. Sonos Ray is great for those small spaces. So Sonos soundbars actually connect to your Wi-Fi and you can control it with your phone, where you can actually, whether the TV's on or off, allow you to stream your favorite music service. But one of my favorite things is that you can actually expand that home theater system by adding a Sonos Sub or a Sub Mini. What's great about Sonos Sub and Sub Mini is they give you really great depth and low end to what you're watching and listening to. And some clients may feel like adding more bass might be overkill, but not with Sonos Subs, because they connect directly to the soundbars wirelessly, and they actually bond together because they're computers, and gives you a smooth sound without kind of distorted bass. And my favorite part, they actually don't vibrate. So they don't fire into the ground, shaking everything around you, which is really great. So you can add our subs to actually any of our speakers. Speaking of speakers, we have our all-in-one speakers. These products are great if you want to add sound to a room. So this is our Era 100, which is great for a smaller room, maybe a bedroom or a kitchen. And then we also have Sonos 5. Sonos 5 is really the party starter. This thing is our biggest and loudest stereo speaker. So this is great for large rooms to really fill a space. And a really cool speaker is this guy right here. This is Era 300. So with an Era 300, you can actually get Dolby Atmos music experience all from this little box right here. This right here is our Sonos Roam that's actually in our OtterBox case that we offer. The Sonos Roam is actually a great portable speaker. What's great about Sonos portable speakers is that they're actually a part of your Sonos ecosystem. I actually keep mine in my bathroom, so it's my everyday listening for when I'm getting ready in the morning. And then when I'm taking my family to the park or the beach, I throw this in my bag, I connect to it via Bluetooth outside of my home, and now I'm bringing that great Sonos experience out on the go. We also make something called a Move. Hidden right here is our Move 2. What's great about Move is actually gives you much bigger sound than, say, the Roam. This is great for your backyard, your patio, and it really is a great portable speaker that has some heft to it that will really fill a space. Here we actually show builders how Sonos can be integrated with built-in sound. First, we highlight the Sonos Amp. The Sonos Amp is an amplifier that actually connects to your network and connects to other Sonos zones, and it can power a pair of speakers. It then makes those passive speakers a Sonos zone. Each Sonos Amp actually powers one zone of audio, and you can hook up to 4 8-ohm speakers. But the big part of this little display here is how we're highlighting our Sonos architectural speakers. So we have a couple different Sonos architectural speakers. We have in-ceiling models. We have a 6-inch and an 8-inch model, and we also have an in-wall model, which we have featured right here. And we also have an outdoor model, which we have mounted above us. But what's really special about them is how they connect to our Sonos Amp. There's actually a button inside the Sonos app that says Optimize for Sonos Amp. Then a signal gets sent to these speakers where the speakers actually know what amp it's connected to, and the amp knows what speakers it's connected to. Now, why is that important for you? Is because it opens up an amazing sound experience for your clients, where the sound of the speakers actually gets better, and it opens up capabilities where instead of just connecting one pair of Sonos architectural speakers, you can actually do up to 3 pairs. So imagine if you want to do 6 outdoor surface-mounted speakers, all wired to one Sonos amp, you can have beautifully even sound throughout your outdoor space, and all the speaker wires are wired back to just one Sonos amp. Sonos Pro is our software as a service that allows business owners to actually control multiple locations of Sonos systems, all from one really convenient dashboard. Now, for builders, they can use this for showrooms or model homes. They pay a monthly charge per location, and it allows them to actually set schedules, control what music plays, and also see if music is stopping or playing at different venues. If you look at this little dashboard here, this is the dashboard that a user gets, and for each location that they sign up, everything shows up on the dashboard. With a Sonos Pro subscription, their clients actually get access to commercial-grade music service called Sonos Backgrounds. Now, Sonos Backgrounds allows your client to play music in their space legally. And another favorite thing of mine is it actually allows you to choose what music you actually will allow to have played in your business. So you can actually browse different content from Sonos Backgrounds, choose the stations that you think are perfect for your business. Then, when your staff is on site using the Sonos app, the music options that they'll see inside the app are actually only the music that you've chosen to allow them to play. You have the ability of setting schedules, so you can choose the right music to play at the right time. In reality, your clients never actually have to touch the Sonos app at all. Music will just play at the right time, at the right mood for your business needs.
Hey, I'm Frank DeFilippis with Sonos, and we're over at the Works with Sonos portion of our booth at IBS. And this is an extensive list of hardware and software partnerships that we are involved with to help bring unique and different experiences to our customers in a whole variety of ways. And these are companies that manufacture user interfaces for high-end luxury customers. All of these partners are working with our Works with Sonos API program to be able to provide bespoke control experiences to their end users and still have the benefits of a Sonos system in their home. Thanks for joining us. For more information, go to sonos.com/trades.